Okay, startups, universities, big thinkers, pop futurists have been talking about the AI revolution, robotic process automation, robotics changing everything, the future of work, how everything's changing. Well, where are they? Where are these robots? Where are these autonomous systems? Where's the artificial intelligence that's going to liberate us from this pandemic situation that we're in? I don't see it anywhere. Where's the self-driving cars helping with no contact deliveries? Where are the robotic surgeons? Where are those autonomous systems in the workplace to help distribute workload and facilitate remote working? Where are the systems that predicted where we are and are predicting how we're going to get out of this and what comes next? I really don't see them. And you know, we've even got systems now, it's like, here's some AI using neural networks to do X-ray scans to try and best diagnose people's severity of the condition of COVID-19. It's unproven. It's certainly not tested to the extent that the medical profession would take on. And even if it was, people don't have the time to learn these systems. So there's a problem here. You know, yes, it's great to be optimistic and to believe in abundance, and all these systems are gonna come to pass and gonna be useful. They're not useful right now. So that's why I'm fairly skeptical on a lot of these people that talk about this amazing future and disruptions coming faster than you think. Because literally, we're probably like 5 to 10 years away from some practical solutions being in place to help us across a number of different areas, especially to do with pandemics and the response therein.